Can see a rejection. Can see a rejection, and we can even see a little sweep of the high. That's what I told you. Asia, like London, will do some type of a manipulation. It doesn't have to always be the Asian high or the low. It could even be a short-term high like this. Now, since we know that the market direction is bad, okay, now am I going to say, oh, Asian low is taken out, it's going to run into the Asian high? Oh, see the logic? Why am I not going to say that? Like I'm going to say, okay, Asian low is taken out, it's going to run into the Asian high. No, because high time frame structure and everything was bearish. Okay, these were the high time frame killers. Asia has tapped into it, and now we're getting the move down. So now, since Asia has already done the job, they have swept liquidity from the previous day's high and everything. We saw what H4 was doing, so do not get confused on the lower time frames. On the H4, we know that this is the next point which sell stops. So now we're going to take a sell. Okay, so we had a strong resistance, liquid cleared out, the market tapped into it, and then a little doji is created. So I will sell it, 1% risk. Stop loss can be placed above this resistance is safe. My target is here, but I'm going to make my stop loss a little tight so that way my risk to reward gets better. It stops me out, that's fine, because once again, risk to reward is very good. Okay, we can always cover the losses. I will have like a 5 pip stop loss. I'm going to have 5 pip stop loss so I can get like a 1:4. Yeah, 5.5 pips. Okay, that's it. I'll get a 1:4. So let's see what they're going to do. Okay. Okay, good. There it comes. Yeah, there it is. Done. Okay, so that is how easy it is to trade the London session. I'm not saying it's easy. Okay, you have to take a few things into consideration, but yeah, if you understand direction, the overall direction, trading the London session will be easy. Okay, most of the time it will give you clean setups. This very clean, right? You have 4% here. You have 4%, and it did not even take much time. Just 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you're done for the day. Right? You're done for the day. After this, of course, who cares where it goes, right? I really don't care where it goes. Okay, we had a nice 1:4, and that's it. Okay, that is all we need. So Tuesday, Monday, we had a break even. On Tuesday, we have 4%. Okay, we have 4 more days left. So let's see. Okay, you can analyze the New York session if you want to. Okay, but yeah, we can analyze the New York session and then just see what's going to happen. But I'm not going to take any trades. Okay, so let's see. And yeah, let's see. Liquidity is wiped out. Okay. Liquidity is wiped out here. They might reverse. We don't know. Might give us a reversal. Who cares, right? We have gotten our trades. So after that, I really don't care what they're going to do. Time is good. The time it is 5 p.m. Equal lows are being swept. See, a manipulation happens at this time of the day. Equal lows are swept. Yet, we have a clean breakout structure. Now it might start moving up. I'm not going to pull the trigger though. Okay. Now, another manipulation. Have another manipulation. Yeah, no idea what they're doing. Starting to move up. That's fine. We had our trade, right? We had our trade. We took off everything. Then we're done. Now it looks like the storylines are turning bearish. I
Bro,
think.
they actually cleared the equal lows from the previous day.
Not from the previous day, right? I think. Yes,
Can you
it
see
was
the
from the
Asian
previous day, I think.
previous day?
No, it was not the previous day. It was some other Asian
No,
lows.
no, the Asian session of the previous day, if you see.
This one? Oh, this one.
Can you go to the 1 hour time frame?
Okay.
There are these equal lows over here.
Which ones? Yes, they have swept some equal lows before moving up. Yes, we had clean equal lows. That is what they swept. So yes, like we ignored this and then took this breakout structure and then a confirmation from somewhere here, we would have got stopped out as well because we had equal lows here. Okay. Yeah, now it has moved up into this zone once again for some reason. I have no idea why. Okay, but they have moved there. Let's see. Has price just to sweep internal before getting into external? Yes. Okay. Always from internal to external. Okay. Right. Right now, of course, I have no idea what it is doing. Okay, because we had a breakout here, but then the last candle just made a big pump breaking above this. So storyline might still be bullish. Okay, it might still be bullish. So might still take out this high and then give us a drop, right? Yeah, not very sure what to do here. Not very sure what to do here, but yeah, we are currently inside of a resistance. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for Asia to end, get some confirmations, and then take the trade. Okay, I don't know what to do. First one, Asia. Second one, Asia is building up equal highs. Can you guys see that? Yeah, equal highs very clearly. Maybe there is some high impact news this week that might sweep all of it. Okay, London itself could do that. 11:30 and 12:30. London itself can do that. Nah, nothing, nothing, nothing during London. Maybe there is news for sure, and then New York can do the good moves. Let's see. I'm not sure. CPI at 6 p.m. Yeah, then all of this should be for yeah. News comes right here. Mm. They did take out some liquidity, but did not run above this high yet. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, no. Just some long wicks all over the place. No trading opportunities. You can clearly see that, right? That we not have any trading opportunities that day. Okay, so let's see. Wait for the day to end. Yeah, no trading opportunities that day. Go back to the daily. Yeah, they are actually reacting to this. If you take a look at this on the higher time frames, they are reacting to our key levels. Why didn't you buy during London? We could have bought it. Okay, we could have actually bought it during the London session, but then again, there was news, right? There was news. Okay, so no point of buying it because this we can expect. If there is news, we can expect a move like this. Okay, so it looks like they are reacting to this, right? So they might continue this move. Lower low, lower high, because on the lower time frames you can see liquidity and all that stuff. But if you take a look at this on the daily time frame, looks like they are just simply reacting to this and it's starting to move back down, right? A lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? They can push down here. So let's see what they are going to do. Right? Not very sure. Let's see. Yes. Now I'm going to also mark out these key levels here. Might be good ones. Daily. Yeah, we have a few rejections. Because even though there is liquidity here, they might continue this sell move. Okay, so we have to be prepared for that as well. Okay, like this. Another smaller zone here. Wait for Asia to end. Because here direction and anything, all of that is not very clear, right? The only thing we can do is rely on market structure for the direction. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's all I'm seeing. Because just look at this, how messy the candles are, right? If it is like this is a trending market. Do you think this is a trending market? No, it's not. Okay, so can't help it. We can't help it. All we can do is just use all the knowledge we know and then enter the safe trades properly. Okay. First one, Asia. Second one, that's also Asia. What are they doing? We're trying to run above this high. This is going to be a risky trade if we take it today. 11:30, 12:30. Here we have all of this. Let's see. Trans above Asia slightly earlier. Yeah, inside of our key level. Okay, cool. Starting to drop. After the manipulation of Asia, we have a good rejection. Thing is timing. Okay, time is a problem. Okay, they did not do the manipulation at the proper time. Okay, so it is a problem. So they might even run above this high. So let's see. Let's see. we're getting a breakout structure as well. Can you see that? Now, of course, I think we will have to pull the trigger. Right? It looks like we will have to pull the trigger. Can we sell it? Yes, I'm going to pull the trigger actually. Okay, because like I said, risk to reward will have up any losses. But yeah, because now before this happens, now I can say, oh, this is an inducement. They're just inducing people to give us this breakout, and then they can do this again. They can do that, right? They can do that, yes. But I'm seeing a clear sign that the market wants to come down into the Asian lows, right? Or into these lows, all of these. Because buy stops are being taken out here a lot. They can easily move down here. Okay, so let's just wait and see. Wait for moved up, tapped into this, created another, yeah, it created another sell signal. I'm going to sell it. Okay, I'm going to sell it. If it goes, it goes. That's it. Because we have more than enough confluences now. We have liquidity being swept, structure being broken, moved up, tapped into this resistance again, made another perfect entry candle. So I'm going to have my stop loss up here, 4 pips. Yeah, I'll have around 4 pips, okay? Because if it goes, it goes. That's it. And then we can target all the way down here, 4.5, 4.5%. Let's see what they're doing. No momentum yet. London opens. We have some momentum. Now, since this was not a very clean entry, I'll move it to break even right now itself. Okay. Because since it is running in profits now, I don't want to take a loss. What if they come here, right? I think we're getting another TP. Yes. There we go. Perfect. Okay, perfect. That was a risk. Okay, that was a risk, but you have to be willing to take the risk, right? Can't help it. There it comes. That's it. Good trades, right? Good trades. And the timing is also the same every single day. Same exact setup. See, something like this. Something like this is what we got. Okay. That was a perfect trade. That's more than enough for that day. But once again, that's 4%. Can you see that? Now do you see that you don't have to worry about the losses? Okay. Doesn't matter how much you lose now. I'm not asking you to be on a losing streak, but you don't have to worry about the losses
Uh,
if you trust the risk to reward. Yeah.
yeah. Means when it give break of structure,
Hmm.
do we it means there are two possibilities. One is direct entry, or second one is above the open close of that candle. So
Yeah. Okay, so you could
yeah,
have even entered directly right here. As soon as the candle
okay,
breaks, you could have entered, but I just wanted to wait for one more candle to see what happened because now waiting for that we might even miss the entry because if this candle, what if this candle like straight away turned into a bearish candle? I'm missing the entry. So that is when like entering directly, that is when it's better. Like as soon as this candle breaks, you could have entered like this and then targeted somewhere here.
okay.
Okay,
And
that is the
sell
3%. That is
above
safe.
that candle.
SL somewhere,
Yeah,
stop loss can be somewhere here. So that would have been a
okay,
safer entry. Now this one we were lucky. It moved up, it rejected, we entered again. Okay, but sometimes
okay,
right after this breakout, the momentum kicks in and it starts to melt and we will miss the entry. Okay, so just what it is. That's
Yeah,
about
but what
trading.
about
Okay,
the imbalance which is there in that breakup structure? Like, I mean, on the
here,
retracement,
this one.
wouldn't you, yes, wouldn't you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
want to
I knew.
actually have
I
that
saw
covered
there
as
was
well?
an imbalance here. Okay, like I
Yeah.
know this entry is anyway a bad one. That's why I had my stop loss here. Okay, if it just goes here, I'm just getting stopped out, and that's it. Okay, that's it. It's about
Cool,
taking the
cool.
risk.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. Because this is the thing about SMC. Okay, like if you go deep into SMC, you're going to miss so many opportunities. You'll think, oh, there's an imbalance here, there's liquidity up here. Like then you're missing the whole 1:4, right? That's the thing about SMC. Okay, that is why I don't want to push a lot into SMC. Okay, I only use a little bit of SMC, the stuff I know. And now since I know Malaysian SNR, like support and resistance in general, I know that, yes, I knew that if I was using SMC, I'm going to miss a lot of opportunities. That's why I'll sometimes ignore liquidity and then take the trades, okay, because I have gone through that. Okay, like missing so many good opportunities waiting for like assuming stuff. That's the thing. So let's see what New York is going to do. Maybe tapped into something and they're starting to drop. Oh, yeah, that was news. Like if we were not at break even, we could have, yeah, we could have had a good one into this itself. Okay, but yeah, I would have taken off everything here because it's coming from the middle. Big news, yes, big news. Might just shoot down here. Yeah, see, just started moving down. So you see this, the overall direction was right. That is why we managed to get in on some good trades, right? That's why I told you this entire thing moved up, came back down. Now, even though we can see big moves, big wicks and everything on the lower time frames, you don't see any of that on the high time frame. Right? You don't see any of these on the high time frame. This is why people like this is why most of us get tricked that we are on the lower time frame. We see lower time frame breaks, right? We see breaks to the downside, we breaks to the upside. We trust all of that and then we get stopped out for no reason. But if you know that on the high time frame, now, after it's gone, I can explain very clearly. Okay, that's the thing about trading. Nobody can say 100%. Okay, after sweeping this liquid, it's going to go here. After taking this, it's going to move here. Like if I can say that, I would have taken all the cells, right? But no, we have to. Like, we know the other concepts as well, so we have to understand them. But if we know that the high time frame direction is like this, high time frames are bearish, so there's chance of them moving down from here. That's more than enough, right? That is more than enough because on the lower time frames, you will see all this messed up stuff. But if you go to a higher time frame, none of that is really there, right? Nothing. Let's just play and see. Okay, like if you go to the daily, that trend line for buying, maybe. Okay, maybe. And look at this. Take a look at this on the daily. Do you see any of that nonsense on the daily? No. This came down, moved up into the previous market structure point, and it dropped. But the thing is, it took a few days to do that. See, this is when it swept liquidity and started the reversal. The pullback actually 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 days for the drop to happen. That is why it was a little confusing. But still, just look how simple it looks like on the high time frames, right? We had the previous market structure point here, from here to here, came up, tapped into the previous market structure point, exactly into that low, melted. That's it. That's all they did. Okay, so very clean. That was very clean. It was confusing on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, we had a clean trade over there. That's good. Now let's see, maybe once again, where could we expect reversals from, right? Where can we expect a few reversals from? Maybe after sweeping this low, or they have already taken that out. Then the next liquidity is below this low. Yes, perfect. Below this low also we have some liquidity. And then we had a support. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what they're going to do. But currently we can see that market structure is clearly bearish, which is very clean. See, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What can we expect? We could expect another lower high and a lower low, right? Storyline is bearish, market structure is bearish. So yes, we can start looking for sales. Okay, so we have marked out some liquidity. So we know that once that is swept, we could expect reversals. So what would be some sell zones for us to look into? What would be some good sell zones for us to look into? Any annotations, please? Yes. Okay. We can draw this and then check discount and premium prices and filter them out. Okay. Yeah, we have the daily zones. We have these zones up here. This could be a good zone. Could be a valid zone if we delete this now, because that is the recent lower high. So there it might not move up into that again. So we have these daily zones. This one can be refined to this. This can be refined to this. Right, like this. Let's see. Now, if we look for discount and premium
Bro, I have a doubt.
prices, yeah.
Bro, about the ICT concept which you used to tell before. So Monday's
Mm.
highs and lows or Tuesday's highs and lows, which can't be break. Can you explain that alone? During the market is trending. So I used to say before the Tuesday's highs and lows can be break if market is trending.
Can't be